Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about join operations, types of joins, inner join, left join, right join, full join, cross join. Let's enjoy. Join operations in SQL. Join operations allow you to retrieve data from multiple related tables based on a related column. Same types of joins. Inner join returns only rows that have matching values in both tables. Select e.name, d.department name from employees E. Inner join departments D on e-department ID equals DID. Left join or left outer join returns all rows from the left table and matched rows from the right table. Unmatched rows from the right will have null. Select e-name, d.department name from employees E left join departments D on e-department ID equals DID. Right join or right outer join returns all rows from the right table and matched rows from the left table. Select e.name, d.department name from employees E right join departments D on e-department ID equals D.ID. Full join or full outer join returns all rows when there is a match in one of the tables. SQL select e.name, d.department name from employees E full join departments D on e-department ID equals D.ID. Cross join returns the Cartesian product of both tables, every combination. Select E name, P project name from employees E, cross join projects P. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.